this video, we're diving into how you can turn plain text into engaging videos with professional voiceovers using VidNarrate AI. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you learn more about AI. Now, if you've ever dreamed of producing video content without recording yourself, you'll learn how VidNarrate makes it possible. Now, have you ever wondered how some channels crank out quality videos so quickly without showing their faces? Or maybe you felt stuck because you lack video production skills or the budget for voice actors. Well, today let's discover how an AI tool can do the heavy lifting while you focus on storytelling. What is VidNarrate AI? VidNarrate AI is a platform that enables you to generate faceless narrated voices from a simple script prompt. By combining natural language processing, text-to-speech synthesis, image generation, and music tracks, it creates fully produced videos that you can download or publish directly to social media. Designed for content creators, educators, and businesses, VidNarrate removes the technical barriers of video production. You don't need to record audio, edit clips, or search for royalty-free images and music. The AI takes care of those tasks for you, allowing you to focus on choosing a topic and refining your message. Key capabilities of VidNarrate. Topic selection. So you can choose from preset topics across various categories or enter your own. The AI suggests themes based on trends and user interests, helping you pick engaging subjects. Voice and music choice. VidNarrate offers a library of AI-generated voices and background music tracks. Voices vary in age, gender, and tone, allowing you to match your brand or story. Music tracks range from upbeat to ambient, so you can set the right mood. Script verification. Before generating a video, the platform displays the script that it plans to use. You can edit or replace this script to better reflect your voice and ensure accuracy. This step is crucial for maintaining authenticity and avoiding factual errors. Automated video creation. Once you confirm the script and select the voice and music, VidNarrate's AI generates visual slides, adds relevant images, synchronizes the voiceover, and mix in background music. It also includes subtitles for accessibility. Scheduling and publishing. After generating your video, you can download it or schedule automatic posting to platforms like YouTube. This scheduling feature supports consistent content distribution without manual uploads. User-friendly interface. VidNarrate is built for beginners and experienced creators alike. Its step-by-step workflow guides you through topic selection, script review, and video generation without overwhelming you with technical jargon. Getting started with VidNarrate. Step 1, sign up and log in. Just click the link down below in the description to get started with VidNarrate and create an account. You can actually get started for free, which is pretty awesome, and you get some credits, and then premium plans with higher allowances and additional fees are available for purchase. So once you're ready, just choose the plan that fits your needs and budgets. After creating an account, just log in to access the dashboard. So let's go ahead and click on sign up for free right here, and we'll go ahead and get started with our Gmail account, so we'll go ahead and do that. All right, step 2, choose a topic. So from the dashboard here, just click create new video. You can either select topic from VidNarrate's suggested categories or enter your own. Categories may include education, technology, lifestyle, health, finance, and more. All right, so we'll go ahead and click on create new video right here, and it's gonna ask how you'd like to receive the video. So we'll go ahead and select email to me, and this is where you go ahead and choose the topic. So mine already got selected on the health and wellness tips. I'll go ahead and leave it on that for now. That's fine with me. Step 3, pick a voice and music track. So VidNarrate provides a list of voice options categorized by gender, accent, and tone. For example, calm female, energetic male, etc. Each voice can be previewed by clicking the play icon. All right, so let's go ahead and we can select the art style as well. So we can choose photorealism, cartoon, vaporware, Lego, fantasy, reality, comic book, Studio Ghibli. Let's go ahead and choose Studio Ghibli. And we'll go ahead and pick a voice. We'll choose the language as English, and for the voice, we'll select male. And then we'll just choose the music. So for this, we'll go soft piano, and we'll go ahead and click create. There we go. Step 4, review and edit the script. So before generation, VidNarrate displays a draft script. This script is often a generic introduction to your chosen topic. Now, while it may serve as a starting point, it's important to tailor the text to reflect your voice and content goals. Step 5, generate the video. video. Once you're happy with the script, click Generate Video. The AI begins assembling your project. Voiceover. The text-to-speech engine reads your script aloud using the chosen voice. Images and slides. VidNarrate selects or generates images relevant to your script. These images may be AI created or sourced from royalty-free libraries. Each slide aligns with a section of your script. Music synchronization. The background track is mixed beneath the narration, with volume adjustments to ensure that the voiceover remains clear. Subtitles. The platform automatically generates captions that sync with the voiceover. This improves accessibility and caters to viewers who watch without sound. Depending on video length and server load, generation may take anywhere from 1 to several minutes. Step 6, preview and refine. Once generated, watch the preview. Pay attention to pronunciation. So ensure that the AI pronounces names or technical terms correctly. If something sounds off, adjust the spelling phonetically in your script and regenerate that section. Image relevance. If the visuals don't match your narration, replace them with other images from the library or upload your own. Some platforms allow drag and drop editing to rearrange slides. Pacing. Check that the voiceover isn't rushing through complex points or lingering on simple ones. You can insert pauses in the text with ellipses or add breaks between paragraphs. Music volume. Make sure the background music isn't overpowering the narration. Adjust volume levels if needed. If changes are necessary, edit the script or select different assets and regenerate. Step 7, download or schedule publication. When you're happy with the final result, choose your next step. Download. Save the video files to your computer in your preferred format, often MP4. You can then upload it manually to platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or your website. Schedule posting. If your subscription includes scheduling, then set a date and time to automatically publish the video to connected social media accounts. Scheduling helps maintain a consistent posting cadence without manual uploads. Tips for effective VidNarrate videos. So to make the most of this tool, consider these best practices. Script carefully. AI tools are powerful, but the quality of your video hinges on the quality of your script. Keep it engaging, informative, and concise. Brand consistency. Choose voices and music that align with your brand personality. Consistency builds recognition and trust. Add value. Incorporate helpful tips, statistics, or stories that set your content apart. Don't rely solely on generic AI summaries. Include visual variety. Avoid slides that look repetitive. Mix illustrations, diagrams, and photos. Add small animations if the platform allows. Optimize for platforms. Different platforms favor different video lengths and dimensions. Consider creating shorter versions for social media like TikTok or Instagram and longer versions for YouTube. So creating polished videos no longer requires expensive gear or hours of editing. VidNarrate AI empowers anyone to transform written scripts into narrated, captioned videos with just a few clicks. By understanding its workflows and following best practices, you can produce content that informs, entertains, and engages your audience, all while saving time and resources. So whether you're a budding YouTuber, an educator with lessons to share, or a business looking to explain your products, VidNarrate offers a streamlined path to video creation. So if you want to get started with VidNarrate, we have that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.